Which lift kit for your Ram 2500 is actually worth your hard-earned cash? Simple question, but to really find out, you have to dig a little deeper. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 options to help you make the right choice. Product number 1, Dynafit 2 Leveling Lift Kit. First up is the Dynafit 2 Leveling Lift Kit. Priced at just $49.99, this affordable option caught my attention with its solid build and great reviews. If you want an easy, budget-friendly lift for your Ram 2500, this is worth a serious look. This kit is specifically designed for 4WD models from 1994 to 2013, including the Ram 2500. The front suspension leveling kit helps to lift your front end, leveling it out with the rear. This means you'll not only improve the look of your truck, but it can also help prevent rubbing issues with larger tires. Plus, the installation is straightforward, taking about 2 hours. You just place the spacers on top of your springs, and it's a pretty simple DIY job. Now, some folks mention that the instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing though, if you're somewhat handy, you'll likely figure it out without a hitch. Just keep in mind that an alignment is recommended after installation. This is perfect for you if you want a basic lift that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for heavy-duty performance or advanced features. For the price, this kit offers excellent value. Now, if the lower lift height of the Dynafit 2 bothers you, this next one offers a bit more height without compromising quality. Product number 2, Dynafit 2.5 Leveling Lift Kit. Next on the list, we have the Dynafit 2.5 Leveling Lift Kit, retailing at $52.99. With similar quality to the previous model, it stands out with that extra half-inch of lift. If you're after a slightly more aggressive stance, this might be the one for you. Like its smaller sibling, this kit is made for 4WD models from 1994 to 2013. The lift helps keep your truck level, which can improve ride quality and handling, especially when loaded down. It's designed to fit perfectly with your factory components, which means you can enjoy a factory-like ride while gaining that extra clearance for larger tires. Plus, it's easy to install, taking about 2 hours with basic tools. Some users did report that the spacers can feel a bit bulky, potentially affecting the ride slightly. But honestly, if you're looking for improved clearance and a bolder look, the trade-off is worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a balance of lift and comfort without getting too extreme. Skip this one if you're looking for a more serious off-road setup. For what you pay, it gives you solid quality for the lift. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you want more performance. Product number 3, Rough Country 2.5 Suspension Leveling Kit. Moving on, let's talk about the Rough Country 2.5 Suspension Leveling Kit, priced at $79.95. This lift kit really caught my eye because of its focus on both performance and style. If you want to enhance your truck's off-road capabilities while keeping a smooth ride, you might want to check this out. It features coil spring spacers and shock relocation brackets, which means it levels your truck while maintaining OEM-like ride quality. This is key for those who want to tackle both on- and off-road conditions without compromising comfort. The unmatched ground clearance helps you conquer obstacles, and it's backed by a limited lifetime warranty, which adds peace of mind. Now, some users mentioned that it can take a bit longer to install due to the extra components. I'll be real with you, if you're not comfortable working on your truck, you might want to consider professional installation. But for those who love a DIY project, it's a rewarding experience. This is perfect for you if you want a blend of performance and style for daily driving and off-road adventures. Skip this one if you're strictly looking for a budget option. For the features you get, it's a solid investment. Next up, if you're looking for something that focuses on heavy loads and towing, the following product might be just what you need. Product number 4, Airlift Load Lifter 5000. If you're serious about towing or hauling, the Airlift Load Lifter 5000 is a must-see. Coming in at $416.67, this is a premium option that offers fully adjustable air springs. If you want to maintain a comfortable ride while carrying heavy loads, this kit is worth your serious attention. Designed for 2003-2013 Ram 2500 and 3500 models, This air spring kit can handle up to 5,000 pounds of load leveling, which is incredible for heavy-duty tasks. The beauty of this system is its adjustability. You can inflate or deflate the air springs based on your specific load and driving conditions. This means you can level out your truck perfectly, reducing sag and improving handling when towing. Some users felt that was a bit steep, but if you regularly tow heavy loads, this investment can genuinely enhance your truck's performance and safety. This is perfect for you if you frequently haul or tow heavy loads and need a reliable solution. Skip this one if you only do light driving or occasional hauling. It's a big investment, but for serious use, it's a game changer. Now, if you want a solid lift that combines quality and affordability, stick around for the last product on our list. Product number 5, Dynafit 3 Front Leveling Lift Kit. Last but not least is the Dynafit 3 Front Leveling Lift Kit, priced at $84.99. This kit is perfect if you're looking to elevate your Ram 2500 stance and performance. If you're into off-roading and want that extra clearance, you should definitely consider this one. It increases the distance between your truck's frame and the ground, allowing for larger tires while enhancing off-road capabilities. This is particularly important if you're looking to conquer tough terrains. Plus, it's designed for a simple bolt-on installation taking just 1-2 hours. However, some users found that the shock extension brackets could be a hassle during installation. Here's the thing, if you're willing to put in a little extra effort, the performance benefits can be well worth it. This is perfect for you if you're an off-roading enthusiast who wants a more aggressive look and better ground clearance. Skip this one if you need a straightforward, low-cost solution. Given its quality, it's a great value for the capabilities you gain. So to wrap it all up, the Dynafit 2 and 2.5 kits are fantastic budget options for basic leveling. The Rough Country provides a great mix of performance and comfort, while the Airlift Load Lifter 5000 is unbeatable for heavy-duty needs. Lastly, the Dynafit 3 lift kit is perfect for those wanting a serious off-road upgrade. No matter what you choose, each of these kits has something special to offer for your Ram 2500.